guys, this is Madness Nail Art. Oh my gosh, Madness Nail Art, aka Caitlin. Hi. So today's star of the show. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I keep dropping it. Cut that out. So today's star of the show is this Juvia's Place eyeshadow. This is in the shade Taj. I'm gonna see if it's glitter or not. Actually, I don't think this is glitter. I think this... Oh, God. Okay, we're good. I think this is just like a metallic. That's what it looks like. So I probably will be putting my contacts in. But it's nice they give you a little container so that if you don't have a Z palette, you can keep it in there. I only have one magnetic palette. And it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills, who we do not support anymore. But yeah, I don't think this one wouldn't even fit in there, so I might have to buy a magnetic palette. And I know, probably just for like one eyeshadow, but it's okay. Maybe I might buy more, who knows. So yeah, well, here, let me swatch it for you guys. Oh yeah, this is a metallic, this isn't glitter. Wow. Actually, it kind of leans brown or like orange, but it also leans kind of green. It's like a duochrome. That's really cool. Wow. I guess it's like a brown-green. Oh, now I see it. Wow. Okay. Well, I might just have the palette to go along with this. So let me go put my contacts in really quick, and I'm gonna do my face, and then it'll be a surprise what palette it is, so you're gonna have to watch. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so this might be a little get ready with me. So, and a review, I guess. So, well, and a tutorial, obviously. Although I'm not a makeup artist, so I'm not professional, and I'm not an expert at this. So I probably shouldn't be telling you how to put makeup, but I'm just doing this for fun. So today, we're going to use my new Zodiac palette by BH Cosmetics. I did use this just to test it out. So this is going to not be a first impressions, but my Juvia's Place eyeshadow will be. But I'll just say this is a review. So this is what this beauty looks like. It does also have a mirror. And it's really beautiful. So we're going to use some of the greens in here. Probably like the Capricorn matte right here. It's like a army green. And then, I just hit myself in the face. I might use the Libra matte, although we'll see. I think it's this one right here. Yeah, I'm actually thinking about doing a halo eye today. This is such a beautiful color, and I can't wait to use it, and I love it. It can stay in the sleeve. It'll be good, but, yeah. So, I already put a eyeshadow base on my eyes. Let's dip into this Capricorn matte in the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. And I'm sorry, I should have used this as a highlight. We'll do it in my next video, I swear. Well, maybe, we'll see. I'll do it in a video with this palette. So I'm just gonna go right in for this portion. Woo! Super pigmented. Alright. So we're going into the inner third and the outer corner of my eye with that matte. Looks unblended for now, but it'll look better soon when we put it all together. Alright. I think that looks good. So then I'm gonna take that color off my brush and then we're gonna go in with the Libra matte. This is like a dark brown. So we're gonna go over that. Alright, so we're doing a really dramatic halo eye today. Alright, and then I'm gonna take my Betty Boop brush and going to blend those colors in and blend up here and down the outside and at least my crease part, and then we will connect to that gap up there. So I'm going to go into this Juvia's Place. This is in the shade Taj, and I'm just gonna take that on my finger. Now this does have a green duochrome shift to it, and it also leans pretty somewhat orange. I don't think that's going on very well. So what we might have to do at this one is take it on this brush. So we're gonna dip into that shade with this brush. This is an EcoTools brush. Alright, and I'm gonna spray it, and we're gonna see if that helps. Actually, I think that works a lot. So this is when you're gonna wanna spray your brush for. So I'm gonna dip in again. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. So actually what I'm gonna do is put a light color in my crease. So I'm just gonna take around, no, that's not a round crease brush. Gonna take this round crease brush by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to dip into the matte Aquarius shade right here. It's a very light brown. We're just gonna use that to lighten up a bit at the top. So I'm going to try to do that. Alright, let me go in again. Should have done that first, but it's okay. So I'm gonna lick that off. And then we're going to take those two colors, this pencil brush, and do my crease with that. So we're gonna dip into those, into the Capricorn and the Libra matte up here and connect to that. Alright, so I'm gonna wipe that off. And I'm gonna actually, I think I'm gonna keep it with Capricorn, and I'm gonna blend this out. So let's blend it out. So this is a little more dramatic than I usually do. And I'm gonna go back into Taj and pack that on some more. Alright. I think that actually looks pretty good. You can see like kind of the duochrome. Alright, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did on the other eye off camera. I'm gonna do my eyeliner and mascara, and I will be back with probably a nude lip. So like I said, I will be right back. Alright, so I wish I didn't touch this eye because it looked literally just the same as this one, but it's okay. I decided I wanted to mess things up. So I'm actually taking my Revlon Metallic Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. I don't know how a metallic lipstick can be matte and matte, but I I guess we'll see, huh? It's a nice neutral pink color. Alright. So, I guess I didn't do a talk through today, huh? That's okay. I feel like I always do. So, I really love this Juvia's Place eyeshadow. Oh gosh, it's dirty. Okay. It's a beautiful color. I really enjoyed it. I actually don't think I brought my crease color up enough over here. That's fine. You know, you live and you learn. So, this palette, I'm probably going to do another look with it. I did do a gold one. Well, we can always try this green as well, the Capricorn shimmer. But I do like the Aquarius shimmer. I haven't gotten around to try any of the other ones. And I have to try Virgo sometime because I am a Virgo. So, yeah, I really enjoyed this palette. I bought this because of my friend Donna. And also I've been wanting this palette for a really long time, and I got the Zodiac Love Signs one first, and I like that one too because it has all these pinks and purples in it. But I like this one as well because it has like a bunch of greens in it. As you can see, there's quite a few. There's like a blue green for Aries and a green for Sagittarius, I mean. And then there's a matte army green and kind of a matching army green shimmer as well. But there is also purples in this one as well. You have quite a few right here, I would say. And then this one's a pretty pink. This one is a pretty pinkish purple too. Yeah, I mean, I don't think the other one is similar. I think it has a lot of different colors and like more like purples, like I said. But this one also has neutral colors too, so you can do like quite a few looks with this one. When I did my gold one, I kind of did a neutral one, so let me know if you're interested in seeing the gold and neutral tutorial, because I can do that, or I can figure something else out. I mean, this is a big freaking palette. You can do a lot with it. Yeah, I feel like I went overkill with purple, so I probably won't do that for a while, but yeah. I really like those two things, and I hope you guys enjoyed the super dramatic look. Oh, and then I actually used my NYX On The Rise mascara for my mascara today. Sorry, my voice is getting weird. I have this whole iced tea, and I haven't drank any of it. And I did not use the Tarte Sex Kitten. I actually used my Sephora felt tip liner. Love felt tip liners. They're my favorite things in the whole wide world. And that's it for today. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my personal Twitter, my makeup Instagram, my personal Instagram as well. And we also have our own Twitter, and I put up the Facebook page. I'm not sure if anyone uses Facebook because I kind of feel like it's more for middle-aged people, not so much people my age. Although it actually started out as a college company, so it's kind of interesting to see the change of demographics. But that's a marketing talk right there. Alright, so I will see you guys later. Alright, bye!